Hey guys, my name is Kai, and I'm going to show you how to make the most of your bathroom without letting space hinder your style. Keep watching to find out how to make it easier, and make sure to subscribe to the JCPenney YouTube channel for more ideas on how to make over the other rooms in your home too. Alright, so the first thing we have to figure out is color. Picking a light color, like cream, or even light gray, is going to help the whole bathroom have a light and airy look. Sometimes that's out of your control. Maybe you have dark wood paneled floors that have to stay that way. Totally fine. Now that you have this beautiful light color scheme going on, contrast it with some texture. A shower curtain is a great piece to layer this in with. Too much pattern and color in such a small space can make it feel even smaller. I love just a simple stripe or waffle pattern for added texture. If you love it as much as I do, follow the link in the description box. I love keeping the simple vibes with my towels too. Keeping them just a clean white or lighter color helps add just a hint of color while still being super cozy. A great place to hide your storage is in your vanity mirror. Clutter makes a room feel small, so keeping small items out of sight will help a room feel spacious and clean. How do you hide your clutter? Let me know in the comments. Having less space doesn't mean you have to have less stuff. It just means you need to store it better. I'm all about using some decorative floating shelves or some baskets to consolidate my clean towels and toiletries in. You can even use stackable shelves so that everything in the bathroom is in one area. If there's nothing else you hear today, use hooks. All sorts of things you can literally just hang on a hook on your door. It's a huge space saver, and you can hang as many as you want. Your tiny bathroom can be just as stylish as any other room in your home. Bonus tip, don't forget to add a plant. For more tips on how to transform your home, keep watching.